Yeah. Hi, kids! From A to Z, from East to West.
Are you starting without me?
Oh, wow, Noah, I didn't expect you to be back so fast.
Well, I got us a Cocochino. You wanted a Cocochino.
I
Remember?
really... Yeah.
You know, Mom and Dad always go to that one coffee shop, you know, that everybody knows, and it smells like coffee.
It's like,
and they always get a drink, and we just stand there waiting and getting nothing because they don't have a Cocochino.
They don't have a Cocochino, and they have a kid's cocoa, but honestly,
it's not as good as our Cocochino.
No, it's a little bit bitter. It's a little bit like I can smell the coffee in it, and I don't need that.
Because ours is all about the cocoa bean.
Yeah.
You know, it's very, very special. It's very, very good chocolate.
It's nice, yeah.
And then it's also about the milk and the quantity of the milk, and then the fact that it's like whipped cream froth, you know.
Oh yeah.
Frosting.
You put the whipped cream in there and you froth it up. Oh, but
see, the thing is, you can buy these whipped creams at the store, but it's just not going to taste as good. So, kids, if you want the real Cocochino recipe, you should just email us at Noah and Olivia Dream Again at gmail.com.
Yeah.
And then we'll share the good recipe, or you can just buy our Cocochino packs because they're the best.
Ooh, yeah. Delicious.
So.
But do we want any of that whipped cream in it for right now?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, since we've got the kids here, we don't have time for... Ooh, looking good.
There we go.
It smells delicious.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you. Oh, this is so good, Noah.
It is, right?
Yeah, I think I got a little bit on my face. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Me too.
Delicious.
Okay. So?
Yeah, I think this is much better. We should share this with Mom and Dad because maybe they would start drinking this instead because they have that coffee and they don't even put any sugar in it.
Oh, I know.
Why would you
not put sugar in it?
It smells like...
Ugh.
I don't know. I don't even know how to describe the smell. It's like bitterness.
I know.
It's like,
It smells like dinosaur poop.
You know what? That totally makes sense because dinosaurs create fossil fuel, and Mom always says, "I need my morning fuel."
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell Mom that she drinks dinosaur poop.
Yeah, you should. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna enjoy my
Cocochino
now.
Me too.
So I'll see you later. Are we gonna do that song "Oh Christmas Tree" later?
Oh yeah, definitely. Let's do that song and
Okay, let me just finish this and I'll meet you like in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll see you in 5 minutes. Enjoy your Cocochino.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, well, kids, thank you guys for coming. This was a really brief excerpt into the life of Cocochino. It's like, you know, adults sometimes are like, I have to have coffee to start my day. And, well, I don't have to have Cocochino to start my day. Whew, I really like to. Okay, kids, have fun. Bye. I hope that you guys enjoy your Cocochinos. This is really good. Noah did a very good job. All right, have fun. I'm going to go do some reading.